up making the other Mother Nature channel, you know, because something happened on this one where I couldn't live stream anymore. So I started Mother Nature Live. And yeah, that's how I ended up on that channel, and that one just grew like that, you know. And so I don't know what happened with the other one, but I tried to go live earlier, like I said, and it wouldn't let me. And like last night I did do a stream, and it was with some music, but honestly, like it's not anything different. You know what I mean? I do that all the time. You know, and I play music I probably shouldn't all the time. And I know I shouldn't, but I'm just saying,
Well,
like...
You know what it was? I know what it was.
Look, if it was that, it would say so, and I would have like a strike or a community guideline.
No, that's that bad juju. That's from the other night. Talking shit. Don't talk shit about yourself, Mother Nature.
I love you, bro. You're so awesome, dude. You're great.
Talking shit to do that.
Yeah, he's talking because I made another channel called West Coast Cannabis Connection, because New England Cannabis Connection. You know what I mean? And so I was trying to make it to where we all got together, yada yada yada. Anyway, and that's a channel to where like everybody would actually have that stream feed, so everybody would be able to go live on that channel. You know what I mean? Anyways, I went into this music stream the other day, which I don't understand why his channel isn't shut down. He plays fucking music like that all the time. That's all he does. Anyway,
that's all he does.
That's all he does.
Shout out to Delic's Life.
Yeah, Delic's Life be pimping that shit, homie. Knock, knock.
Mad love to my brother. I can't thank you enough for that plug either, Mother Nature. I thank you all the time. I know I thank you all the time. But...
You're good, dude. I'm glad. I'm very glad that I've even seen you freaking get a friendship. He's not easy.
Yeah, no, he's not. I was actually surprised one day that I got a wrench. I was in there typing one day and didn't even realize I was blue. I was like, whoa.
I know, like, at the very beginning. I was and I went in there as a West Coast Cannabis Connection because somebody ended up saying something about West Coast cannabis, literally. You know what I mean? And so I was like, alright, I'll be right back. Like in my head, and I went and grabbed that channel, came back in, and I said what I normally say. Hola, cheers, all. I don't know anybody else that says those things. And so,
Well, you didn't say hola.
Okay, look, I didn't say hola, but I said pimpin' that shit, okay? Disc Golf knew it was me as soon as I said that. And then I ended up saying something because of this little, like, story time Delic's Life did. And I ended up saying we're just not going to eat no